So, hello guys. So, hello everyone. My name is Efren Francis P. Aurelio, and today I'll present my unique business plan, Brew and Bond Coffee Hub. So, this is not ordinary coffee shop. Brew and Bond is a bar-style cafe, but instead of liquor, we serve coffee, lattes, ice brews, and pastries. We also featured live bands, open mic nights, and fun activities, creating a safe but lively space for people to enjoy. So, opportunity. So the problem we are solving is that most coffee shops are too quiet and only good for studying, while bars are expensive and alcohol centered. Many people, students, professionals, and families want a fun, social place where they can relax and connect without the need for alcohol. So, our target market is students and young professionals who want nightlife without liquor, music lovers who enjoy live performance, and families who want safe entertainment. So, our marketing plan includes social media promotion of our bands and events, student discounts, and happy hour coffee promos. So we will also promote through posters and flyers in schools and workplaces. So for operations, we will open from 2 p.m. until midnight. So 2 p.m. until midnight, serving unique coffees, latte art, and finger food. The shop will have small stage for live acoustic bands and performers, creating a bar-like but wholesome vibe. So our team will include myself as the manager, as a barista, a cashier server, and an event coordinator who will handle performers. So milestones. So financially, we expect around 4,000 daily sales, which total of 120,000 monthly after expenses with project profit of 40,000 per month. So, yeah, company management, financial plan, basic one, then the appendix. So, the appendix is to conclude, Brew and Bond Coffee Hub is not just about drinking coffee, it's about enjoying music, laughter, and connection in a safe, alcohol free bar style coffee. Here, customer can bond with friends, discover local talent, and experience something different from any other coffee shop. So thank you very much guys for listening.